How to find IGTV view counts notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find IGTV view counts notifications settings on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find the settings and the notifications, and here you will find it live and IGTV. And as you see, here you will find it IGTV view count notification settings. You can turn it off or on just by one click, and then just go back, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.